Some cricket now. West Indies head coach Darren Sammy has hailed Jamaica's 19-year-old spinner Vitel Lawes, who impressed with the ball on debut in their 3-2 defeat in the one-day international series to New Zealand. Christopher Scott reports.
Vitel Lawes, who had not played a single senior match in any format before his shock call-up, justified the faith shown in him by head coach Darren Sammy by claiming 8 wickets at an average of 28.5 runs in the 5-match defeat. Speaking after Tuesday's victory in the 5th match, Sammy said the selection of Lawes was not a gamble, but the result of a carefully planned development program led by Nikita Miller.
Taking a chance on a kid who's never played, at least a game, but, in a region where you're not sure, how fast a player will develop, and we didn't pick Lawes just out of a hat. The processes that we followed in fast-tracking his development, a lot of people don't see that.
And despite the different questions being raised about his selection, Sammy was determined to take a chance on the 19-year-old.
I heard a lot of noise when he was selected, but we and guys like Nikita Miller, who put in the work, and Lawes himself, credit must go to him, but the process in which we followed to get him to where we believe he was ready to play at international cricket, we were quite happy with it.
Sammy says he also expressed his delight with Lawes after the series.
Lawes, after the series, I said, I'm really proud of him to come out 8 wickets, looking like he belongs into the game, and especially us trying to develop players. Really proud of what he's done, in his debut series.
The sky is now the limit for the left-arm wrist spinner who looked comfortable at the highest level. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.